Hey, what's up you guys? It's Michaela, aka Sneaker Queens Customs, and honestly this setup is not doing it for me, so I'll be right back. Okay, that is so much better. I figured since I'm gonna be more active here on YouTube, I better have nicer equipment and a cooler setup. So I think it looks pretty cool, but let me know what you think. So I was recently redecorating my art studio and my walls are looking super empty. I need to add some art. I also recently got a new logo and I'm in love with it. So I decided we'd put it on this skate deck. Alright, so now that you guys got the first class tour of my new art studio, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this skate deck. I'm gonna be painting the skate deck with a base layer of white, and then we're gonna go ahead and put a stencil on that I made of my logo, and then we're gonna airbrush it. So now that I've airbrushed all the color, I'm going in with a regular brush and adding in all the watercolor details. Once I finish with all the details and let this dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put a sealer over top to keep the paint protected. Alright guys, so here is the finished skate deck. I think it turned out honestly better than I thought it was going to, so let's go hang this on my wall. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and check me out on my other socials linked below. And everything I used to paint the skate deck in today's video will be in the description. Peace out.